Me, rich. The next person who walk in here get anything they want for free on me.
Good afternoon, sir. How may I assist you today?
Give me everything where I am.
Of course you can have everything. Once you pay for it, then we'll ship it.
You think this is a joke? Give me everything where I am.
I have nothing. I'm rich.
Me never said that.
Rich man, give me everything where I am. Take it. Take this too. No boy in a tight scaring up on me. That's not fair.
She took 1 month to ship this. Why you cut out my
I
clothes?
know we're not come. All the way in the costume. How long do I have to wait?
It's already here. Wow.
That's quick. Alright, there's something else. Ah! Everybody can't work, so if we don't work, how me I go survive?
I have a package for Thief and Boy.
What?
I want this! You have no manners, you could have said thank you.
Baba boy, don't run.
Who you call Baba boy?
Look, the lady drop her wallet.
Ship with Skyepro Xpress in Port Antonio.
Pause and screenshot here for more information.